Hi, Shauna. Okay, so you said you're an illustrator. So, all right, I can't at all read this illustration. I can't tell what you did. I had to turn my head to attempt to see it. So it's one thing to use a template. You can put that off to the side so the viewer can kind of tell what it's going to look like in a professional setting. But I also need to see the flat version. Like I'm not going to hire you until I see, that you're not using clip art balloons, that you drew it yourself, that there's something specific in this that you did that would make me want to hire you. Same with this. I want to see your logo really close. So show me this, but also show me what it looks like flat. Same. Is every one of these in a template? So if so, I'm just going to leave it at that. All right, so it's all template work. I want to see the same thing, but I want to see it flat. Wow, this is way too much content. You're not supposed to use Greeking in a portfolio. I want to see some decorative type. I want to know what you actually did here. I want to read, what part of this did you do? All right, I want to see professional style photography. I want to see sharp logos. I want to see the schematic. All right, so this one is flat, but there's a bunch of stuff around it, so it's kind of hard to tell like where it starts, where it goes. I like the creative typography. It's easy to read. Um, did you do that illustration in the back, that photo illustration? Well, tell me, show me that you did. Um, you can see with other people's presentations, they put little notes next to their pieces because someone who's going to hire you does want to know what you did here. Did you just do the typography? Did you do more? All right, so that's what you need to do for this. So this is not really enough. You gotta talk to me about what's yours, what's done. You've got to be real clear about it. You got to show a flat piece. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.